Hey, yeah, look. I'm getting this money, I'm stacking it up. Smoking this dope and I'm packing it up. I see it up and I'm sticking them up. I'm blicking them up, I'm sticking them up. Getting this money, I'm stacking it up. Smoking this dope and I'm packing it up. I see it up and I'm sticking them up. I'm blicking them up, I'm sticking them up. Baby, you tripping, you doing too much. I be off lean, I be sipping too much. You telling stories, you saying too much. You saying too much, you saying too much. I feel like damn, how I'm coming in clutch. I feel like damn, how I'm coming in clutch. I'm coming in clutch, I'm coming in clutch. I don't know nothing about such and such. I don't know nothing about such and such. Shorty wanna fuck with me, she say I got the juice. I been sipping all night like Poe and other dudes. We stay hitting ops up, they begging for a truce. Shorty hit my line and she say that I'm the truth. I don't even say too much, I leave it in the booth.
I can't fuck with that bitch from me. I be riding around my team, getting this money, we counting this green. It is
We're here picking up this guy's Chevy from the Chevy dealership, the oil change and whatnot. Let's check this out though real quick. Ooh. Clean this up a little bit though. Do you see that? I didn't put that on there, that's on there by itself. Let's just come outside real quick, stretch out. It's a little bit of a drive and whatnot. So you guys can see, oh, we're picking it up. I think I need a little car wash in here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think I need a car wash here? What do you guys think? Yes, sir. Oh. Of course, we got some nice Chevys out here. Of course. That was cute. See those as well. Big arm on them. Sexy, huh?
We like to the deep. My nigga be keeping that heat. Talk to cool it, they ain't want no beef. All that little cabinet doing this cheap. Begging to me. Yeah, that shit ain't game to me.
I'm getting this money, I'm stacking it up. Smoking this dope and I'm packing it up. I see it up and I'm sticking them up. I'm blicking them up, I'm sticking.
Hey, so we're back at it again. We're on our way to go pick up the car. They just called us, said it's ready to go, nice and washed, right? What else did they tell you?
Well, they already did the tire rotation, they did obviously the oil change, fixed that thing from the car that it wasn't unlucky as soon as they, approached the vehicle.
Exactly. So now we're just gonna take a little drive. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Top, you can see the ref. Yeah, right there, wherever he's at. Show you one more time.
Alright.
Gave you guys just a little bit of a preview, somewhat of a little preview. We'll get back to you guys shortly.
I'm getting this money, I'm stacking it up.